If you still think a PC case is just a basic box for your components, it's time to think again. Today's best cases are smarter, cooler, and way more stylish than ever, with incredible airflow, stunning designs, and features that make building your dream PC smoother than ever. Whether you're after a budget-friendly airflow beast or a premium showpiece that turns heads, we're counting down the best PC cases you can buy right now. Links to every case are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5. Lee LANcool 217 is an example of a case design that just cannot be overlooked. Not because it is overloaded with RGB lights or sharp angles. It stands out with its unique, unconventional element, namely wood used for the front panel of this gaming build. This is a wonderful combination of modern gaming style and the natural touch, providing you with the luxury of furniture-style case design. However, do not confuse elegance with poor performance. In addition to its unique front panel made from wood, this case has two huge 170mm fans blowing an abundance of fresh air inside. In combination with the special airflow design of the LANcool 217, this ensures perfect performance of any GPUs and CPUs without making any noise. Once you pop the side panels off, you'll see that there's lots of room inside to work with. Whether you've got an extra-large GPU, or a bulky air cooler, or an entire liquid cooling system, it will all fit without issue. Tempered glass side panel means that all of your parts will be visible and looking great. Additionally, the design helps make cable management very easy, definitely helpful if you like having a tidy build. Speaking of customizability, one of the things we loved about the LANcool 217 was the modularity. Brackets could be shifted. Number 4. The NZXT H7 Flow is the type of PC case that immediately makes you say to yourself, finally, someone has made a case with proper airflow. This is the case for people who like to have powerful components in their computer, but don't want all the problems that come with that, such as overheating. The NZXT H7 Flow case is focused on maximizing its performance while maintaining a stylish look. In the interior, the H7 Flow provides lots of room for construction and an intuitively designed layout. The cable routing ducts are located appropriately, the PSU cover hides all the wires, and the tempered glass side panel lets you admire your rig without touching it and leaving any greasy fingerprints. In addition, it is compatible with 360mm radiators, big GPUs, and several fans. What really makes it stand out is how effortless it feels. Cleaner thermals, cleaner aesthetics, and a building experience that doesn't fight you at every step. The H7 Flow is simply one of the best choices if you want a PC case that performs insanely well while still giving your setup that sleek premium look. Number 3. Corsair 2500D Airflow Case belongs to that rare category of products which instantly make you feel like you've built something really smart, clean, and even luxurious. And here is why. Thanks to its two-chamber concept, all the messy components like cables, power supply unit, and storage drives are neatly stowed away in the rear chamber, while the front chamber opens up all the way to the airflow. It is no secret that the airflow is the hero of this particular piece. It allows for easy and effective airflow into the case due to the highly breathable front, side, and top mesh design, which makes it perfect for high-end GPUs and advanced multifan radiators. In fact, the radiator itself can reach up to 360mm and be configured in many ways possible. The assembly process of the 2500D is very easy. Everything goes together perfectly, all cables are organized, and the whole thing just comes out right. Combine that with a tempered glass side window, and you have the look of an elegant, strong, purpose-built build. In summary, the Corsair 2500D Airflow is a small two-chamber case which gives a lot in terms of performance, neatness, and good looks. Number 2. The Lee LANcool 207 is a compact ATX chassis that immediately grabs your attention. Compact, elegant, and full of innovative features, a true reflection of Lee, except with better optimization for efficiency and elegance. The most interesting thing about the LANcool 207 is its ability to leverage its small size into something useful. The case manages to provide full ATX support while also not taking up much desktop space. And it also helps to bring in some personality with its front RGB fans that peek out through its mesh panel. Another benefit is the cooling system. Its fully ventilated front, top, and bottom design draws in cool air in all directions, ensuring that the advanced graphics card and CPU remain cool throughout any gaming session. Also, ample space for mounting radiators with sizes of 240mm or 280mm, additional fans and graphics cards is available despite the small dimensions. The process of assembling the system within the LANCool 207 case is not an exception as far as quality goes. The simplicity of the cable management system, easy removal of the panels, and efficient build make the process a breeze. The inclusion of a tempered glass side panel provides a perfect backdrop for the hardware and RGB lighting installation. Number 1. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO is not only a computer case, but rather a masterpiece of hardware design. This particular model is chosen to show off its power through appearance, as it belongs to the line of full tower cases. One look at this behemoth reveals that you have just seen something powerful. It is impossible to ignore this large-sized tempered glass window and numerous fans installed behind it. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO is a true demonstration of high airflow capabilities. In other words, its name is not chosen casually, as its large 200mm ARGB fans provide sufficient cooling for even overclocked GPUs and CPUs. It is noteworthy that this case is capable of working almost silently, despite its monstrous size and number of fans, thus creating perfect conditions for a quiet yet impressive system. Internally, this case is something special. This particular model mocks the notion of limits. Would you like to mount several radiators inside? No problem. This case can accommodate radiators up to 480mm in length. Would you like to use a high-end liquid cooling kit with customized tubing and components? Great, there will be plenty of room for that. Moreover, the build quality of the product is excellent. Each panel has been designed perfectly, all slots fit precisely, and managing the cables has never been easier.